Welcome student, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I am your computer teacher. I hope you all are well. So today's in my video class 3rd computer chapter 1 computer basic, and today's topic is man versus computer. In my previous video I had already described about which type of a machine is a computer and what is the working of the computer, like input, process and output, all that things in detail. Okay, today I will discuss man versus computer. Okay, computer is made by man made computers, but computer is capable to doing lots of works other than man. So what is the difference between man and computer? We have to describe in this video one by one. So man versus computer. In the present time, computers are being used everywhere. Computers have many advantages over humans. Computer is also multitasking and multi-computing. Some of the advantages are described as follows. First is speed, second accuracy, third is storage, fourth diligence, fifth emotion, and sixth is intelligence. So students, a computer is capable to doing lots of work at a particular same time. Okay, multitasking means a computer can do lots of work at the same time, and it do lots of calculations, large calculations at a very fast speed. So we have to describe man versus computer one by one according to the following topics. So we start first. First is the speed. Humans are slow in working and doing large calculations. Humans are not able to do lots of work at a very fast speeds, and also humans are not able to do large calculations at a very fast speeds, whereas a computer can do thousands of actions per second. It can do large calculations within a second. In the other hand, computer is a very capable machine to doing lots of calculations, lots of works at a particular time within a second. Okay, next, accuracy. Accuracy means getting the results correctly. Humans can make mistakes due to lack of concentration. Their results does not correct every time. If anyone disturbs humans in their work, then their work is not correct. Their results does not correct every time because they have a very lack of concentrations. Whereas a computer can do all the work accurately. It is a 100% accurate machine. It gives always correct results. Okay students, if for example if we have doing some calculations, some additions, subtractions, and anyone is disturbing, if students you are doing any calculation maths work and your younger brother or a younger sister is disturbing in their work, then you get the wrong results. Okay, but a computer can do lots of work accurately. It is a 100% accurate machine. It never gives the wrong result. It always gives the correct result. Okay, next, storage. The storage capacity of humans is limited. The brain of humans beings does not store lots of things for a long time. Our storage area like brain is a limited space. They have not stored lots of work for a long time, whereas a computer has a large storage area. It can keep huge amounts of data in its memory for future use. Whereas a computer has a very large storage area. Storage area means where we have to keep something, like in our houses. Also a storeroom where we have to keep all that food items like wheat, rice, oils, any food items we have to keep on that storeroom. So in a computer also a storage area where computer can keep all the work of its in a memory for future use. Next, diligence. Humans get tired and bored easily when they work for a long time. Humans feel tired and energyless also when they do same work for the long time. Okay, humans are so feel tired and bored when they do same work at a regular time. Okay, that is not good for humans to do same work regularly. They feel tired and bored easily, whereas a computer never gets tired and bored even it do same work for the long time. It is always full of energy and do various work at a time. Whereas a computer can do same work. If we do painting every day in a computer, then computer never feel tired or bored. They do the work efficiently, okay, and give the results always correctly. Okay, next is a emotions. Humans beings are living beings, so they have emotions, and their emotions also affect their work. If we feel sad, if we feel happy, then that sadness and happiness affects our work. Sometimes if you in examination, if you have at home, if any matter is going on and you are sad, then when you came in school and you start writing and doing any work, then your work is not efficient. Okay, whereas a computer is non-living thing, so computer has no emotions, and their emotions never affect their work. The computers has no emotions, so computer work is always accurate and efficient. Okay, students, next is intelligence. Humans are able to work around a problem even if something is missing. Humans use their IQ because they have a brain. If anyone given some problem to us to do this and solve the problem, if something is missing, then we have use our brain, because we humans are able to guess and work around a problem even if something is missing. But computers have no brain, no IQ means intelligent quotients. They cannot think or take decisions on their own. They need instructions from user side. On the other hand, computer cannot have a brain. So computer always need instructions, always need commands. Computer cannot do a task without our instructions. Okay, students. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.